Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you to discover the statistic of new feature. New feature of statistic in Telegram. So recently, Telegram launched the statistic feature on their Telegram groups, and then you can see the statistic of your Telegram groups. But the note is you have to be the owner of the group. So here I have a group with about 600 peoples around here, and then I can see the statistic of this by clicking on triple dot and then click the statistics. And then as you can see, this is I can see the growth of my member. This is the growth. I can see the line here, the forecast. I can do forecast. I can do like this linear, what we call, I forget. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is the statistic, and then also I can see the how many people joined, invites, and left here, and also I can see the preference language, and then also much of them is, I think it's really helpful if you are in the mission of growing your audience in Telegram groups. What the advantage of Telegram group is that this is more personal, this is more intimate with your audience. You can monetize easily, rather than Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and so on. So make sure you create the group that already loyal to you, the audience that really needs you so bad. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel, or you can just click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.